sporting a stylish sliver bob, realistic silicone skin, and exposed mechanical parts. China's new entertainment robot host is a hit among viewers nationwide. With over 1 billion views in Chinese social media, the new female humanoid robot powered by AI will have you guys recall the cyborg girl Alita from the movie Alita Battle Angel. The robot girl built by EX Robots has 16 small motors in her face and additional motors for the body. She is also able to express a variety of emotions and movements, and it is remote controlled by a human operator. So is this new robot really as fascinating as it sounds? Let's find out. Hi and welcome to AI World News. Today we will be speaking about the new female bionic humanoid robot that will make your jaw drop. Please watch the video to find out all the details. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification. The Chinese government has identified industrial robots as crucial to the country's economic strategy, using its 14 five-year plan to announce that China will be a key source of global robotics innovation by 2025. For almost a decade now, China has been the world's largest market for robotics. In 2020 alone, it installed 140,500 robots, accounting for as much as 44% of all installations globally. Adding to this, China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology says that it will become the most robot-intensive country in the world by 2025. To achieve this, it will establish 3 to 5 robotics industry zones and double the intensity of robot manufacturing. In doing so, it will develop robots to work on tasks across 52 nominated industries, ranging from traditional fields such as automotive construction through to new areas such as health and medicine. But thinking about building a robot that can host as well is truly amazing. And this is what the hype around new female robot is all about. She is a humanoid bionic intelligent robot made by EX Robot. After years of research and development, this robot has successfully entered the recording studio at Zhejiang TV station Intelligent Future and entered the public eye. She has become the assistant of the famous program host Jiang Changjin, and EX Robot have given her the name Zhang Leilai. Zhang Leilai, a stunning humanoid female robot powered by artificial intelligence, joined her human co-host in presenting Creating the Future with Intelligence, a variety show dedicated to showcasing and explaining new technology and innovation in China. After airing the first episode in prime time on Zhejiang television, the show, with its remarkable human-robot host duo, quickly attracted the attention of curious viewers, making it one of the most watched shows from the station. Each episode of the show explores a different topic on technology, the latest development of prosthetic limbs, 3D printing technology, facial recognition technology, big data, and mobile payments. According to a poster by Zhejiang Television introducing the female robot host, Zhang Leilai is 18 years old and loves to sing, read comic books, and eat snacks. It added that the robot has special expertise on areas of big data analysis, information storage and processing, and notably, being cute. Moreover, images and trailers released by the station show the female robot host standing on stage and presenting the episode's theme, demonstrating rather natural lip movement and hand gestures while talking in a soothing voice. As mentioned earlier, the android is developed by EX Robots, which is the first domestic lifelike robot producer based in northeast China's Liaoning province. After catching the attention of the public, the female bot has been gaining a following since her debut on television, with videos of her being viewed more than 1 billion times on short video apps Douyin and Kuaishou, according to the publicity department of the government of Panjin City. Now, seeing the success of Zhang Leilai EX Robots is working on making practical robots that are capable of talking, providing public services, and assisting with medical care. According to product manager Niu Shuai, we developed robot host Zhang Leilai entirely with Chinese technologies, from the design to building a hardware, as well as developing AI and software algorithms and assembling, Mr. Niu stated. Zhang Leilai is the second generation of robots developed by the company, he added. So does this robot really have a realistic bionic appearance? According to an engineer who worked on Zhang Leilai, there are many kinds of robots. The intelligent bionic humanoid robot consists of externally simulated silicone skin, internal mechanical bones, and a drive and control operating system. So this shows that EX Robots really put in the effort to make Zhang Lele appear as human as possible, and the company's own patented mechanical bones reduce the weight of the product, making her the lightest person of its kind in the world. The original silicone simulation skin technology can ensure better comprehensive performance of the simulated skin. So from raw materials, production technology, simulated skin design, to the perfect combination of skin and mechanical structure, EX Robot is the first company to achieve this in China, and its product performance has reached an internationally leading level. Apart from this, different from the traditional machine appearance robot, EX has created the core product, Intelligent Humanoid Service Robot, which is divided into Intelligent Voice Dialogue Robot, Intelligent Public Service Robot, Intelligent Medical Guidance Robot, Smart Home Control Robot, customized ultra-realistic interactive robots, and other series of these robots will be widely used in enterprises, medical care, education, and in everyday life. Robot Zhang Lele is in a leading position in the world in terms of technology and commercialization capabilities. Yang Dongju, the chairman of the company, said, "The reason why he chose to build a factory in Panjin is to take advantage of Panjin's superior geographical position and excellent business environment. Next year, it has also been forecasted that Zhang Lele will have more brothers and sisters." So do you have the feeling that EX Robot are teasing of their true robotic capabilities? Well, while many end users welcome a different face on their TV screens, others questioned whether the trend would trigger a rise of the machines. Not only is she really pretty, she's also very smart. I'd watch her on television every day. One user wrote on Chinese microblogging site Weibo, "Amazing. Technology in China is advancing every day." Another comment read, "At this rate, humans are going to be replaced by robots. What is left for us to do?" One concerned user asked, "Oh no, it seems like television hosts are all going to be replaced soon," one comment said. In response to these comments, Mr. New said, while he understands the worries of a so-called robot uprising, he insisted that the machines are here for the benefit of human beings. "It's normal to fear the unknown," he said. But in the end, robots are developed by human intelligence and controlled by its human inventors. Adding to this, he reassured the public that the company aims to develop practical machines that can serve and assist humans in repetitive, mundane, or dangerous labor work, so that humans are free to carry out more valuable and meaningful tasks. He also added that there are so many possibilities with the development of such robots, but one thing is certain: they will not entirely replace humans in their professions. "We want to see better cooperation between humans and machines. Robots are not our enemies," he said. Now, are there any obstacles in the path of China from achieving its objectives of leading the global robotics industry? Well, it's true that, despite the positive outlook for China's robotics industry, there are some challenges. The government itself notes in the 14th Five-Year Plan that it must overcome supply and demand imbalances and supply chain stability. It also cites a lack of technology accumulation, a weak industrial foundation, and insufficient high-end supplies as obstacles in its path. On top of this, the domestic robotics industry as it currently stands is fragmented. The largest domestic producer, Edson, enjoys just a 4.2% market share. In this environment, picking winners can be difficult, although experts say that there are some companies that already enjoy a competitive advantage. However, these obstacles, experts are observing that the robotization of China is an inevitable trend driven by substitution and strong demand from emerging industries, and one that will come to define China's economy over the next decades. Moreover, the continuous increase in the industrial robot industry chain has lowered the capital threshold for enterprises to carry out automation transportation. Therefore, we will see more and more businesses installing robots. Increasingly, these will be Chinese-made. And with this momentum, we have really entered a new era of technology transformation as robots are used to meet customers' needs for a higher quality and comprehensive service. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share your views with us in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. And thank you for watching.